Hi, I'm Sam Hoare from Montana Molecular and Pharmacanics. At the Dr. GPCR Summit, Luciana Leo and I will be presenting a workshop on how to get the most from your biosensor data for GPCR research and discovery. Biosensors of GPCR signaling are now used routinely to investigate the dynamics of GPCR activity in living cells. Here, this is illustrated with our Arrestin recruitment biosensor. We will show you how to analyze biosensor data to maximize the quantitative insight we can get from this technology. We will first show streamlined methods to process the raw data from biosensor assays. Then we will go through simple methods for curve fitting to time course data to quantify signaling dynamics, using the familiar program GraphPad Prism. Here we can quantify the recruitment rate, and we can also measure the rate of decline of the arrestin receptor interaction. We will show numerous such examples of how this analysis improves our insight into GPCR function. We will finish with a Q&A to address any biosensor queries you may have. Please join us at the workshop on Wednesday, October 12th at 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We look forward to talking with you.